remaining 55 seconds.
There we go, huh? Oh no!
%. Gear up.
Oh, you did it.
Well, no, that's not the problem. See, when I let go of the stick, see what happens?
Oh. Well, you're not supposed to let go of the sticks anyway.
Yeah.
50%.
Looks like it's flying pretty good.
50%.
I don't see all those lights.
20, 0. Braking. 25%.
Yeah, reverse works.
Speed brake closed.
I knew you'd have reverse on it. There.
That plane looks pretty scale as it is, so I'm okay with that. Okay.
25%. 50%.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I don't meet now.
That's the way to be. Iron sharpening iron. On the ground. I'm coming for a landing. Left to right.
See, it's still doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 in the front.
50%. 10. Not 0.
That's with their first tail draggers.
I was like, holy shit, just get off the ground already.
0. 25, 0.
So that's not.
Over 50% on this battery. Now it's after 5 minutes.
50%.
Trying to gauge the timer.
Gear up, percent. Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%.
Now we're good.
50%.
The same way you would push, you would pull the stick to go up, you would push to go down. Yep.
There we go.
Now you go up. Yep. Same deal.
50%.
Right.
Like this, but it's not like this. This one is the Gen 2.
Gear up. 25 to 50%.
Well, I'm so happy for you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, you need that.
No, it's probably on the top. You're on the top of the side.
Zero. Gear up.
And that's why I bring it slow. Okay? So it's going to give some right. Not too much. Just enough. See, now you're rolling the other way. Back to center. So you can try it again.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
On the right stick.
25%, 50%. 20, 50%. remaining 55 seconds.
There we go, huh? Oh no!